Where are we?
We're in downtown Seattle. We're going to the Seattle Aquarium. Come on, Kate, go parking lot. Come on.
Baby? Like you have stroller too?
What's Paper Mong's name?
Huh?
What's Paper Mong's name?
Name, paper. Like Boa, Hong. Huh? I don't know.
Natawa rin siya.
It looks like hair, but they're stingers.
Nag-swim siya.
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi, Mac Chupapi. Good morning. Punta kami ngayon sa...
You don't have to check anything out right.
Dito kasama ko yung ata mother-in-law.
Take it for this. Like, we inject it more oil. I'm good at It's
Both Emerald.
just because it has oil doesn't
Sa mga pier daw, mga Chupapi. So, punta kami ngayon.
That's good.
Gamit namin yung truck yung ano.
Yeah.
Gamit namin yung truck ng kanyang pamangkin. So, tignan natin. Parang uulan pa yata. Tignan natin. Sana maganda yung weather, no? Kahapon maganda yung weather. Are we here? Check na ang aking mother-in-law. But we are in Seattle, mga Chupapi. Diba? Ito kami nakaraan. Nung pagpunta namin dito kami pumunta. Sa Space Needle. Ganda naman. Taas yan eh. Nakakalula.
Like all other sales ticket locations, hey?
Relocate, huh?
Due to construction, they have another sales cart location down the street.
Oh, they changed the location.
Because they're probably renovating or changing this place or something.
Yeah.
I remember it was here.
Ang ganda naman dito. Parang BGC. Naman tayo sa BGC. Pero mas maganda to.
Hey,
Baby.
look at this big ass thing right here. What is it?
It's a museum. It's a museum. It's a paid museum though.
Big ass.
But the aquarium is really nice though. The aquarium here. Yeah, next time try
Is this an aquarium?
Lapit na kami.
No.
So, balitaan ko yan later.
Space Needle.
It says it's in that building right there. So, yeah, no building, the Space Needle got home.
Okay,
We
I
gotta
guess
go
we'll just have to go
look at
last.
hey, I want to buy don't ticket home, but there's no parking anywhere. 20 an hour valet parking. It's all no parking. I'm out of days a month. We gotta
Saka
move
siya
from
pa.
Triton.
Dito na kami, mga Chupapi.
Price? What price?
Where are we? We're in downtown Seattle. We're going to the Seattle Aquarium. Come on, Kate, go parking lot. Come on.
Oh, take a picture. Play out. I think.
Kasama namin yung aking mother-in-law. And magbablog din yung aking mother-in-law. Nonchi.
Nutty.
Nonchi. Ano to? Bear. Okay. Non-CB. What does that mean? Eat?
Ako, no, it's eat.
Oh.
I don't know what see.
No, see? Mom was no see. Yeah.
Baka anak si, tawag niya kay, ano ba tawag niya kay Paper? Alam ko no, it's eat.
Paper is... What's
Mong.
Paper Mong's name?
Huh?
What's Paper Mong's name?
Name, Paper. Like, boa, tongue.
Huh?
I don't know.
Natawa rin siya.
Kasi si boa tawag nila tongue.
Yeah. Yardley Nang, right?
Yeah.
What's Paper's name?
Paper name. Da.
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 Oh, da.
Oh, hindi.
Da.
Hindi.
Yeah. Da. English. Paper.
Oh.
Speak. Da.
Da. May na tayo maglakad. So, antay lang namin kasi magbabayad pa sila ng parking. Ito yung Seattle Makachupapi.
Parang San Francisco. Shit, may naiihina naman ako.
Hey girl.
Ito daw talaga
Ano mo?
diaper na ako.
Tignan mo, ang ganda ng mga building.
Oo. Kayo, you okay?
Alaskan. We're in Alaskan.
Wait.
No. We finished the mango. Masarap yung mango.
Buho mo yan. Pan-apple niya sa ilalim eh.
Mm.
Oo na, oh.
Hmm? Hmm?
Stop ulit.
Hi kayo.
Say hi kayo. Hello. Naiihina ako. Ay, ang ganda ng ano nila. Flower.
Yeah, ang ganda. Nagbo-bloom yung ano. Tawag dyan, purple?
Lavender.
Lavender.
Di ba mabango?
Mga parang San Francisco.
Pero usually mag-post siya naka-private lang. Siya lang kasi nanonood.
Let's go. Let's go.
Or maybe we'll go inside the bathroom inside the aquarium. I think maybe they have it in there.
Okay.
You want fruit? That's fruit. You don't eat it. It's sour.
Ang ganda ng mga flower, oh.
Maybe we'll eat after the aquarium.
Okay.
Because
I'm gonna feed first.
you guys just had some fruits. So cute. He's smart too.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, he's also stubborn. He's like,
Ta kami sa aquarium, mga kachupapi, dito sa Seattle. And ituturo ko kayo, sasama ko rin kayo. Para makita nyo rin kahit papaano. Ang ganda naman ang walking ano nila dito, B. I like the walking trailer here. Kasi may mga flowers doon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Maganda siya. So, punta na kami in Seattle Aquarium. I like this one, oh. What you puppy? What do you like? Here or Chicago?
I like here a little bit better.
You like here a little bit better? Look at that!
Mhm.
Kaya, look!
Take a picture here. Yeah. Yeah, the baby. Like you have stroller too. Say hi kayo to the camera. Nagtag. Hi to the camera.
Nagbibidyohan na tayo ah. Happy ang family. Ay, Kayo should play there. B, Kayo should play there, oh.
Maybe later if we have time. We have a 3-hour limit.
3-hour limit.
So we have to keep going. Okay, well, if we have time to look, after we come out, we have time, we'll look around a little bit more.
Okay. Finally, nagkaroon kami ng oras ng asawa ko at ng family niya na lumabas-labas kami kahit papano. And then after na itong Seattle Aquarium, kakain na naman kami. We're planning to eat there.
Hmm?
Where we're planning to eat.
Probably somewhere in this area. After we're done with the aquarium. We'll see how much time we have left. We only have
Seattle
3 hours.
Aquarium. Tingnan natin how much.
And if we don't have enough time, we're probably not going to eat there because we don't want to get the truck towed.
But why?
What do you mean, but why?
We only have 3 hours here?
Yeah,
Oh, because you park. Okay. Only 3 hours. Hello, I like to
That's
see
the
that
thing
one.
about downtown. Everything is paid parking, time limit, limited space.
Diyan sila sa likod. So, ito yung downtown ng Seattle, mga kachupapi. Medyo traffic din. Pero mas better to kaysa sa Chicago. Kasi sa Chicago talaga super traffic. Ito medyo okay. So, ito na yung Seattle Aquarium. Sana maganda. I hope it's beautiful. No. Look. Alam mo, aquarium na agad up there. Look up. That's cool. Oh, ganda. Let's see. May lumalang. So, oh, $49. Ang isa. Adult is $49. Nantay pala niya yung mama niya.
You gotta go here 59 and make the purchase. Yeah, and come back here. Is there 2-part? This one and that one?
Yes, so the original buildings still have exhibits in them.
Uh-huh.
Over on that side of the tomorrow.
So we can start over there and come back this way? Okay, let's start over there then. I thought so too.
Yeah.
But they have this addition to the ticket.
Mahal. Mahal nga.
Okay, original.
Dito na kami, be. Expensive, eh.
I thought we were just the entrance to pay, but she said we have to go up here 59, which is right here.
Oh.
I thought that was really good.
So it's 2?
That's big. It's just part of it. This is part of it too, but we pay over here.
Oh.
They shouldn't put an entrance in them. They should put like a lock on there so people can't open.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, pay over there. Put a sign there. Pay over here.
Yeah.
See, it says
Yung mama niya nagbabalag.
59 and 60.
Mama niya vlog. Maybe, I didn't know your mom is vlogger.
Well, I mean, she doesn't know how to edit or upload, but she just record it and then my sister like help her upload onto her channel.
Yeah.
So that's kind of how she does it. So she doesn't do any editing. Everything is raw footage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Raw footage, no editing. Cái nó là nút ta sai thì tao sai đấy. Sao mày nó mà dùng cha liền nó mới cho sát tông nè. Chỉ trong này thật cũ.
Wow. Look at that fair. Is that the one supposed to be where you're going?
Lane one up.
No, that's
Lane one,
different.
you take yeah.
Alright. Lane one, Ruby.
Có ai mua cho sát sáu đó?
Nó học lắm không?
Smells stink.
Nó đâu mùi.
Ít thôi cha.
Nó có phải mặt ra.
Thầy của anh rồi.
Smells bad.
Đấy, nó lấy tôi cha mà nhiều cơ.
Nhưng mà thấy con nhỉ? Thấy tên lên trở lại tên lên.
Collection and snapshot into one of our local dive sites. Before we begin though, I do want to remind folks that if you do have those questions, anything you see here or anything I'm talking about, just raise those hands and wave at me. I'll try to answer any questions you might have. Hopefully I have the answers. And likewise, if you're here today, remember, no flash photography when you're exploring the aquarium. And if you're at the touch pools later, just remember to stay gentle with one finger. Here is a salmon stain.
Ano yun? Hala, what's that? Oh, the water. So yung entrance namin mga chupapi, $49.99 each. 49. Hala, ang kulit naman na ano.
Parang dagat effect.
Parang dagat effect. Kaya pala may mga ano. Gusto ng mga isda yan, no? Tingnan mo mga isda, nakangangaw. Pang tilapia, no? Ang galing.
Simulate what actually happened.
What? Baby, itch my back.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah. So $49.99 each.
Well,
$49.99.
my mom got a senior discount, so it's lower.
How much? I don't think there's a discount for
No,
a senior.
it is. She told me. Well, it's not on here, but she got a discount.
You
So-
pay $149.99. So I don't think there's a discount for that.
I don't know, maybe it's a few dollar discount. But she did say there's a discount.
Oh.
So there is a discount.
So nandito kami ngayon mga chupapi sa Seattle Aquarium. Tignan natin kung maganda. Oh. Kasi jelly.
No? You want to touch it?
No.
Ruby, you want to try it?
Hala, look! Look, Rubio! Jelly! Ang galing naman ng paggagawa dito. Diba? Ang galing. Jellyfish!
Hold Abby's hand.
It's so overwhelmed. It's like you want to go around.
What's that?
So big. Yeah, jellyfish.
Lucky.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ano siya? Magpasakit siya.
May mamamatay kapag natin kita.
Kaya mo.
Sobrang kati niya.
Look at that.
Those little stingers. This is hurt. It looks like hair, but they're stingers.
Pretty cool, huh, Bucko?
Oh. That's beautiful, huh? Like it?
See, are you here? Look, there's a jellyfish. Oh, sarap. Bumalik ka na lang pala sa stroller mo.
Huwag ka na maglakad. Balik na sa stroller.
Wow, so cute.
What's that? Small?
Maliliit na. Ano ba yun?
Oh. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Look, small fish.
Bro. Small.
Ganda ah. Indian Sea. There's a shark. Maybe there's a shark.
Yes, it is. Oh, wait,
Ah. Baby, can you do like a shark?
Ow. So let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground.
Is that the one that we saw in Minnesota?
I think it's similar. It's all artwork.
Ito yung ano nila, oh. Yung tiles. Iba yung tiles na ginamit. Ang ganda. So ito yung labas ng aquarium. Yan yung labas niya. Ang ganda, no, Kadya Papi? Nandun pa rin sila sa lalo. Nandito na kami ni Paper. Wala kayo! Ah! Kayo! I didn't know this is look like, no? This is the teeth?
No, these are suction cups. It uses to
No,
to
kayo!
get and then stick to it.
Vacuum.
Yeah. Just suction.
Ano ba, bro? Bro daw. Oh, is that octopus?
So we only are allowed to have
Where?
octopus for about a year.
Dito, kita mo yung laman niya.
Because giant Pacific octopus
Nakatago
live on
eh.
average 3 to 5 years. And there's no way
Kita
to
mo yung
age
laman.
them.
Oh,
And so
yeah.
when we catch them,
Nakatago.
we have
Yeah.
to know how old they are.
Kayo.
Now, we try to catch them on the smaller end, usually like sub 10 pounds, because that means that they're likely to be a lot younger.
Hiding kayo.
And so then when we caught him, he was just over 10 pounds. Okay. And then what we had.
Bird.
That's dangerous? What kind of a bird is that so big? I don't know. Seagull?
No.
Baby, look, so big, oh.
You ever see a seagull before? They're ugly. They're truly annoying. Seagull.
Why is so fat?
Seagull.
Because he's living in America. Maraming pagkain dito. Lumulutang. Tao ba yun? Hindi ko alam, be. Tao daw ba yun? Yung nakalutang. Ayun lang hindi ko alam. Parang ano lang naman dumi. So punta kami sa kabila. Yun lang yun, be. There's no second floor.
Going this way. The sign says to go this way.
Oh.
Kaya niya. Passing all the water like this. Coming here. Coming here.
Oh.
Wanna go on the other side? The other one just resting over there.
What's that? Oh.
Papahinga lang isa. Yeah, you see it? Over there. Yeah.
Papahinga pa siya.
Hello.
He doesn't like people.
He doesn't turn around. He
Yeah.
just look away.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh my God, kayo say. Ano pati yung basura na
That's garbage, Kyle.
First time. Where are they? Kayo here.
There you go.
Whoa.
He's not going out.
Hey, come here. Oh. Whoa. Parang sarap ng swimming nila, no? Oh, go up there. Kayo, they go up there. Oh. You wanna go there? On that side? Oh. Wanna go on the other side? Look. Look, they're on that side. Sila sa gilid yung...
They're resting there. Doesn't like here, huh? Nod lang kami rito. Yung nanay niya, busy-busy yung nanay niya. Tingin pa tayo sa iba. Busy siya, be. Wala mangingialam sa ano. Malaki, ganda. Maganda, oh. Kasi papi. Is that included? No. Oh,
Oh, you see the bird? Oh.
they're eating there. Let's go here. Baby, I thought it was a big aquarium.
Okay.
Oh, kayo, there's one here. That one is resting over there.
Next. Oh, she's tired.
Whoa!
Yeah. Caillou.
There it is, Caillou. He's going.
Hello, Caillou. He see you.
Kayo, look, it's up.
See, Highball, they told me Ruby went to the building at the aquarium. They had an actual otter show. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. Si Caillou.
You can actually see you on
Oh, say hi, kayo.
Nothing here.
Ruby too.
Ruby, look. Your name is here.
Oh, God. Ruby. Yeah.
That's Ruby.
That's Ruby right there.
I'm here.
Look, so cute. Nag-swim siya.
Look.
Oh, yung cute mo naman pala, Ruby.
Oh.
Oh, they're laying. Huh? Ano yan? Sila hindi yan. Other than?
¿Estás viendo? Wow. Mira,
They're going down.
¿verdad los gatos?
Magaya siya sa bata.
Wow, mira, mami.
Most different small fish.
Oh, yan. Oh, yun ang lagi nito.
Baby. Aww. Sarap lang na paano lang sila, no?
Mira,
Parang normal lang sa kanila maligo. So cute. Oh, sarap ng ligo ah. Sarap ng ligo na to ah. Ayun. Para relaxing lang. Oh no. I can relax. Bye, Dila, bye. How cute, no? Di ba may tayo? So, ito yung taas. Nandito kami ngayon sa taas. Kami naglag yung cellphone, no? Kachupapi. Maganda rin pala. Kahit mga ulap dito sa Seattle, okay rin. Kasi hindi mo masyadong gano'ng kalamig. Di ba? Maulap lang siya, pero hindi naman siya gano'ng kalamig. Oh. Nag-enjoy kami dito, kachupapi. Nililinis ni Kuya yung yung aquarium. Nililinis niya. Kita mo nga, kachupapi. Ano kaya yung mga nandito? Are you doing, babe? Wanna sit there?
Yeah, sure, but the shape is an hour. It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sure, me here.
You should lay down there. Oh my God.
Mulong yan.
Okay. Very good. Napakita niya kung nagugas na siya ng kamay. Ganda o kachupapi. Marami pa mga isda dito.
Reach your hand in there.
Malinis, no? Pe? Parang galunggong. No. Parang galunggong. Hmm? Yee! Ang ganda ng galunggong. Exciting. Lalaro sila sa loob. So, punta kami dito sa Ocean Pavilion. Dahil tapos na kami dito sa building na to. Dito naman. So, hindi siya connected. Pero malapit lang siya. Magkatabi lang siya. Isang tawid lang.